Greetings aficionados. In this video we are going to solve challenge 10. So the two letters from the original message that we are given are A and P, which are the first and 16th letters from the alphabet, and they are respectively 15 letters apart in that alphabet. So we can see that A was encoded to S and P was encoded to R, so we'll have a look at those two letters S and R. Now S is the 19th letter of the alphabet, R is the 18th letter of the alphabet, but we want to treat R as though it's coming after S in the alphabet, so we'll add 26 and we'll treat R as the 44th letter of the alphabet. 44 minus 19 gives you 25, so those two letters S and R in that order are 25 letters apart. Now that's in the encoded message, so the encoded spacing, our end space value is 25. So we need to work out end space divided by D space to get the multiplier. 25 divided by 15 is not a whole number, so we need to add 26 to get 51, divide that by 15, which is not a whole number. 51 plus 26 is 77, divide that by 15, still not a whole number. 77 plus 26 is 103, dividing that by 15 does not give us a whole number. 103 plus 26 is 129, divide that by 15, not a whole number. 129 plus 26 is 155. Divide that by 15, still not a whole number. 155 plus 26 is 181. Divide that by 15, still not a whole number. 181 plus 26 is 207. And if we divide that by 15, it's still not a whole number. 207 plus 26 is 233. Divide that by 15, that's still not a whole number. So if we add 26, we get 233 plus 26 is 259. Dividing that by 15 does not give us a whole number. And finally, 259 plus 26 is 285, and when we divide that by 15 we finally get a whole number, which is 19. So that is our multiplier. And if we have a look at the multiplier partner table, we see that 19 has a partner of 11. So we need to find what number was added. Now, A is the first number of the alphabet. We know the multiplier used is 19. 1 times 19 gives us 19, which clearly has a remainder of 19 when we divide that by 26, and that corresponds to the letter S. Now, as the table at the top of the screen shows you, A encodes to S, so no further addition is necessary, and that tells us that our Caesar shift in this case is 0. We could have used P to work out what the Caesar shift is too. So P is the 16th letter of the alphabet, and the multiplier is 19. Work out 16 times 19, which is 304, and that has a remainder of 18 on division by 26. Now the 18th letter of the alphabet is R, and we can see that P encodes to R. So we already have the correct letter, and no addition is necessary. The Caesar shift is 0. So we are decoding the message SIWROEOYIW. So replacing each of the letters with the number that gives its position in the alphabet. As there is no Caesar shift here, the second row is just going to be exactly the same as the first row. The multiplier used was 19, so if we take that second row and multiply by the partner of 19, which is 11, we get the third row. Take the remainder on division by 26 to give us the fourth row. there were no zeros that need to be changed to 26, and replace all letters with that letter to give us the message which was auspicious. Happy aficionadoing, and see you in the next video for the next challenge.